Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the Moto Razr Ultra 2025 and the Moto Razr 2025, or you can consider them as Razr 60 Ultra and the Moto Razr 60 depending on the region from where you are watching this video. So we are going to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs, performance, benchmarking test score result, especially considering the hardware and how much difference you are going to get considering the price segment of these two smartphones. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. We have already performed all of these tests and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So here you can see that the Razr Ultra 2025 scored 1.871255 million points and Moto Razr 2025 scored 589,567. So as you can see, the Moto Razr Ultra 2025 is scoring nearly 3 times more points compared to what we got on Moto Razr 2025. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Moto Razr Ultra 2025 is better compared to Moto Razr 2025. The biggest difference is coming in terms of GPU as well as the memory. But our primary concern is the overall score, and in that as well, of course, the winner is Razr Ultra 2025. So let's go back from here. Now let's have a look on the Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So the Razr Ultra 2025 scored 2182 in single core and 7575 in multi-core, while the Razr 2025 scored 985 in single core and 2947 in multi-core. So in both single core and the multi-core, performance of Razr Ultra 2025 is better. In single core it is scoring a bit more than twice, and in multi-core it is scoring nearly 2.5 times more points compared to Razr 2025. So now let's go back from here to the GPU test. Moto Razr Ultra 2025 scored 18,318 and Moto Razr 2025 scored 2,994. So the Razr Ultra 2025 is scoring 6 times more points compared to Moto Razr 2025. So in Geekbench 6, in all of these three tests, the single core and multi-core of CPU test and the GPU test, the winner is Razr Ultra 2025. Now if you go back from here to the 3D Mark, so this is a GPU benchmarking test. It gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device, and it is divided in multiple parts as well. So if we go to the wildlife, in this you can see Moto Razr Ultra 2025 totally maxed out and Moto Razr 2025 scored 3690. If we go down here and have a look in the performance monitoring section, then you can compare the frame rate generation of these two devices. So the Razr Ultra 2025 scored from 44 FPS to 180 FPS and the Moto Razr 2025 scored from 14 FPS to 29 FPS max only. So as you can see, the difference is quite huge when it comes to wildlife. If we go to wildlife extreme, in this Moto Razr Ultra 2025 scored 6,754 with average 40.45 FPS and Moto Razr 2025 scored 1026 points with 6.15 average FPS. So in this as well, the winner is Razr Ultra 2025. Now if we go back to Steel Nomad Lite, in this Moto Razr Ultra 2025 scored 2539 with 18.81 average FPS and Moto Razr 2025 scored 411 with 3.05 average FPS. So as you can see, in terms of both points as well as the frame rate generation, the Razr Ultra 2025 is scoring nearly 6 times more points and FPS compared to Moto Razr 2025. This is the same thing that we have noticed on Geekbench GPU test as well. So you can of course expect way better gaming performance from Moto Razr Ultra compared to Moto Razr 2025, but Razr 2025 is also quite nice. When it comes to gaming, you can watch our gaming performance test of these two smartphones to get the better idea. But in terms of hardware, of course, the Razr Ultra 2025 is the better one because it comes with the best and the latest CPU and GPU available for Android smartphone. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.